We arrived last night in Agua Verde after a magnificent spinnaker sail. And we're back to our old tricks again of trying to fix our outboard.
What are you trying today?
I'm going to pull the carb apart again. The little jets, I just watched a video of a guy poking wire through them and I was just afraid to do that. It might actually start now after we've already cleaned them. I just haven't tried. So I just thought while it's up here before we drop it, I'll go through everything again, clean everything again. I saw a way of checking if the spark plug is working, so I'll try that. And then put it back together and then drop it in and I expect it to start. Alright, the carb's back installed again. We've got the throttle's reconnected. The choke's been reconnected. Airline's back on. The fuel line is back on. The overflow fuel is on. Because we dumped out this fuel bowl, we'll need to prime that again up to there with a few pulls, or with the bulb from the external tank. And once that's up, it'll lift the fuel, float, and should be happy to start. You're so funny, Kate.
Why?
What did you just ask me?
I asked, are you doing a test start now?
What was my answer?
You tell me.
No, it's starting. This isn't a test start. This is just starting the engine.
Okay. I hope you're right. Nice tank cover.
It is really nice.
Sexy. Everybody cross your fingers and toes.
You were seeing this like live. Neutral. Start. Choke.
Key, check. Good thinking, Tommy. Fuel.
Here we go.
All systems go. Ooh, that
was violent.
Yeah. Mick! You did it! Woohoo! I mean, I sound surprised. I'm not surprised.
Oh.
You fix everything.
Sorry.
You did it!
That's so
easy. We need to get some carb cleaner to run through it once in a while.
That's a great idea, Kate. You a mechanic?
Nope. I read a forum. It worked, Bentley! Thanks for crossing your fingers and toes. How's your schoolwork going?
Not good.
Not good. Okay, I'm gonna come help you. Let's go. We're certainly back in civilization. It is so busy. I don't know if this is normal, but it's busy. Mick says there's more boats here than there was when he was here in May. I'm not sure if it's like a whole bunch of Ahhhh boats that they come down early November and then maybe some of them have come up this far. But we know it's going to be a very busy year in Mexico because there is like 3 years of backlogged boats from COVID and everything, and everyone's coming back to their boat or bringing their boats down to Mexico now in preparation of crossing the Pacific this year. Because for 2 years, everything was closed in the South Pacific. Last year, when everybody's starting to cross, some things were open, but not everything. So a lot of people chose not to go last year. So that's 3 years of boats. It's gonna be an interesting one. Anyway, Agua Verde is awesome, super cool. Water's not as clear as when the guys were here before, but there's a whole heck of a lot more greenery on land.
Oh, a TV!
So we're gonna go to shore and get some groceries from the little tienda. And then we're gonna go for a little walk.
Shoes.
And if we're feeling up for it, which the boys really want to,
Snorkeling at
there's
Rhino
really
Rock.
great, you wanna explain? Really great snorkeling?
Yeah, like the best snorkeling, like one of the best snorkeling spots that I've done in Mexico.
And it's called?
Rhino Rock.
Rhino
we just
Rock.
named that it because it, I don't know.
Oh
why.
really? That's not actually its name? I always thought that was actually its name.
Oh.
You came up with that. Alright, well let's show them Rhino Rock.
This is going to sound strange, but one of the hardest things to remember when we leave our home is to take our shoes with us.
It's true. Alright, here is Rhino Rock. There it is. Tommy says the best snorkeling he's done in Mexico is there. So we're going to try and make it. We'll have to wetsuit up, won't we?
Yeah, we had to wetsuit up last time also. It was
Oh, you
cold.
did?
Yeah, it was cold last time.
Alright, let's go. We're going to go get some groceries.
And the cool thing is there's like underwater cliffs. So like you can't really see them right now, but like this is just like cliffs the whole way.
Oh, that's very
Like just
cool.
walls.
Very cool. You saw a sheep over there?
No, a sheephead.
Oh, sheephead. We're in Agua Verde with Jackdaw. Hi, Jackdaw. And we're walking to the tienda and hoping they have some produce. We were all just discussing how we're seeing a lot of Ahhhh boats already in Agua Verde, and how that's an interesting way to do it, to come right down into Mexico, come up into the Sea of Cortez a little bit, turn around, and then go south. You could easily do Mexico in 6 months.
And be satisfied.
And be satisfied. I think John was saying we wouldn't change what we've done. We will have spent almost a year and a half here. And we wouldn't change that, but you could do it in a shorter time frame.
We had the wind with us. We like that.
Yes. We sailed with the wind everywhere we went. And we got to experience all the seasons in Mexico. And see Mexico change from a desert to a beautiful, lush oasis.
Yeah, we're already here. I was so short.
Is it really going to be a year and a half in Mexico?
No, November to November and then to March. Isn't that exactly 18 months?
If we cross in like February or March, I mean, you know, get to Central America, that's almost a year and a half.
Yeah, it's crazy. Look at how green it is behind you. It's hard to believe.
Really cool.
Different place.
Yeah, they have produce.
Yay! You want toffees? Do you think it is just someone's backyard?
Just like it, doesn't it?
Yeah. It's brilliant. I love that they can do that in Mexico.
Mm-hmm. That was a perfect shot. Has everything.
Yeah, a little bit of everything.
Still can't get over how green it is.
It's wild, isn't it?
Like that was just dirt and rock just a few months ago.
Beautiful spot.
Yeah, isn't it?
It's amazing. And all
really
the
cool in
campers
here.
over there.
Look how quiet this anchorage is just in here.
It's really peaceful.
Yeah, there was no campers down here last time. Didn't even think of that.
What a spot to come camp. So
But
there must be a road.
apparently this has all been sold to developers and they're building a hotel right here.
That's so sad.
It's all going. Yeah.
I wonder what will happen to this.
But you know, that happens a lot and it never actually gets off the ground, so maybe
Who
that'll
knows?
happen, yeah.
Let's hope so, because this is pretty special.
We're hiking to the palm tree forest.
So not all the way to the caves
No.
like you guys did last time. Just a portion of it.
Mm-hmm.
Is it a long way to the caves?
Yeah, I think the longest part is the beach. It's just like a mile long
Okay.
beach walk.
All right, let's roll.
Yeah.
Aw, this is so cute.
It's clear. I can see through it. It's so weird. We're on like floating.
Oh, all the roots.
We're like floating.
Instead of heading back on the trail, boring, we decided to find our own way home, rock jumping along the shoreline in hopes we would make it back to our dinghy. Kids are being crazy on this hike. They're very excited to see John, and they're screaming a lot.
You call this a hike? I feel like this is just a created adventure. Yeah, even the vultures know that we're in trouble.
We're not in trouble. We're almost there now. Look what we just came through. Come around 2 points and we have this one and that one to go. 2 more. We're halfway there. This is going in the cave.
They're crawling through.
They are? Yes. We're crawling through.
Through to where?
The other side.
It is kind of tight, isn't it?
Yeah, my backpack got stuck at one point. The view! What are we tracking today, Mick?
Coyotes, cracky.
Oh, that's a perfect coyote den. Careful.
Hey, puppy.
So close. Are we gonna make it or do we have to backtrack?
That seems a little odd to go over. I think we can scale around.
Yeah, you don't want to go up there? Yeah, I'd rather not also.
The tide's rising. It's going to come up to here in like the next 20 minutes, so we're going to be really careful.
I'm pretty sure it's all the way out, but good try. We're almost there. I see a mast.
Yeah, we can do it. There's a beach that we can walk along.
Woohoo! Do you see the mast?
Fell on my leg.
You fell on your... Oh, doozy, man. We are motoring along. There's no wind. This is very different than what we thought this part of the sea at this time of year would be like, but I think we've just hit it at a weird time because everybody that left a few weeks ahead of us had a lot of hard time with the northerlies and had to hide out a lot.
We have not found that.
No, we haven't.
Rather than waiting and hiding and going in the calms, we are going in the calms because there is no wind.
And no wind forecast for a while. So we're just going for it. Anyway, not really our style, but it's happening. We had a fairly boring motor ride 20 nautical miles down the coast to Puerto Los Gatos. This rocky point is covered in gorgeous red rocks expanding to beautiful white sandy beaches. Hola!
Hey.
Look at those red rocks behind you.
Yeah, I'm excited to get over there and see what the sand feels like.
It's pretty crazy looking. We're rowing to Mars. These rocks are so crazy. How crazy is it? They're really red and jagged and crazy up there and then all worn smooth. The boys have been over here for a couple hours, I'd say, exploring. We're gonna go see if we can find them and catch up to them. I don't see them now though. Bentley? There he is. Hi. We brought you lunch.
Thanks.
You hungry?
Yeah, I'm tired.
I'm tired?
Well,
You've been playing
thirsty,
hard.
I mean.
Oh, I did not bring water. I don't know why, but I did not. Silly mummy.
Creation?
Yeah, show me your
We
creation.
might not want to have it on film.
Why? What is that, Bentley?
A bum.
You're crazy. What is that, Thomas?
A butt.
You guys are crazy. Pretty cool over here, isn't it, T?
Yeah.
Can you tell me where we're going for lunch?
Up here.
Up here, you have a special spot?
Yeah. At the top of it. See? Can they look?
Wow. What's for lunch?
I don't know. Ooh.
Some leftovers, some quesadilla, and some carrot sticks. What do you think, T?
Go.
home to the button.
James Bond music coming.
What? You said it was easy once I was up here.
It is. No, it's not.
You have perfect little stairs there, Mick.
I know.
How cute.
Sharp little rocks on them. You got those legs, you can just take one step. There you go. You're almost flying when you do that.
Patterns in the rock are so beautiful.
Then we jump from here to there.
What'd you think of that, Thomas?
I already did it.
Okay. What do you think, Bentley? Is pretty cool?
Awesome.
Awesome! Echo!